Hi and hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I had covered 10 superb amazing facts, so don't wait, let's go to the video.
We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me.
When Coco the gorilla met Mr. Rogers, she took off his shoes as she had seen him do on his TV show. Coco, the beloved gorilla famous for her warm personality, love of cats, and ability to communicate through sign language had a favorite show, Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. When she finally met Mr. Rogers for the first time, she recognized him right away and immediately helped him untie his shoes and take them off, just as she had seen him do on his show. In the same meeting, she also embraced him and cradled him in her arms to demonstrate that she loved him. If you die alone in the Netherlands, someone will write you a poem and recite it at your funeral. For those lonely folk who pass away with no next of kin and no one to claim them at death, there will be at least one person at their funeral, a poet. In response to these so-called lonely funerals, the country implemented the ritual of lonely funeral poems, in which poets research the deceased, write a poem in their honor, and recite it at the funeral. What started as a small project in Amsterdam has now grown into a country-wide competition. In the 16th century, poets exchanged rap battle-like stylized insults in an act called flitting. The word flitting comes from the Old English word for quarrel. Something like today's freestyle rap battles, the purpose of flitting was to craft poetic insults so devastating to your competitor that they'd be too insulted to muster a comeback. One recorded exchange is known as the flitting of Dunbar and Kendi, in which Kendi tells Dunbar, "You look like the crows already ate your cheeks, renounce, rebel, your rhymes and sorry shrieks." Astronaut Alan Shepard hit 2 golf balls on the moon's surface. On the Apollo 14 space mission in 1971, Alan Shepard became the first and only person to play golf somewhere other than Earth. He attached a 6-iron head to a piece of rock collecting equipment and hit 2 golf balls while on the moon's surface, hitting his second shot further than 200 yards. Beauty and the Beast was written to help girls accept arranged marriages. The original version of Beauty and the Beast was a 1740 story by French novelist Gabrielle Suzanne Barbot de Villeneuve, in which the beast was a hideous combination of an elephant and fish. According to children's literature academic Maria Tata, the tale was written in order to encourage girls to accept arranged marriages, for an alliance that required effacing their own desires and submitting to the will of a monster. The first roller coaster was invented at Coney Island as a way to distract people from sinful activities. Another inventor, Lamarcus Thompson, was disgusted by the debauchery of New York's inhabitants. The saloons and brothels that were so popular in the late 1800s were a disgrace to Thompson, who wanted to provide a family-friendly, sin-free way to have fun. Thus, the roller coaster was born. He was inspired by the railroad tracks of the West, specifically one called the Mauch-Chunk Switchback Railway, which featured a high-speed, 665-foot drop. The German word Kummerspeck means weight gain from emotional eating. One of many words that are untranslatable in English as Kummerspeck, which literally translates to grief bacon or sorrow fat. Bacon might not be your binge food of choice, but the idea remains the same. Whether you chow down on cured meats or ice cream during times of emotional crisis, Kummerspeck adds insult to injury. It's also proved that the idea of food as comfort is cross-culturally understood. Continental plates drift at about the same rate as fingernails grow. That is, about a millimeter a week. Tectonic plates, which divide the continents, drift because of the heat that pushes its way up to the surface from the Earth's core. This is the same activity that causes earthquakes and volcanic activity. At the rate they move, the tectonic plates end up drifting between 1 and 2 inches each year. Hitler's nephew wrote an essay defaming the dictator, then moved to the US and served in the Navy to fight his uncle. William Willy Patrick Hitler was born in Liverpool to a British mother and a German father, the half-brother of Adolf Hitler. When Anglo-German relations started heating up due to his uncle's flamboyance, Willy published an essay in Look magazine entitled Why I Hate My Uncle. As war broke out, he moved his family to the United States, where he tried to enlist in the US Navy but was turned down. After the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor, Franklin D. Roosevelt took a second look at Willy's application and finally approved him to engage in the fight against the Nazis. Brunch was originally invented to cure hangovers. The favorite meal of millennials was invented in 1895 by an English writer named Frank Berenger, who published an article called Brunch, a plea in Hunter's Weekly newspaper. In his article, he described an alternative to the traditional Sunday dinner that he dubbed brunch. He argued that waking up early was no fun for those who had had wild Saturday nights and that brunch was the perfect place for folks to gather around noon, recount the tales of their wild nights, and enjoy each other's company.
So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to smash the bell icon.